Hunter. Get Granddad's glasses. Get them.
I will.
You haven't given me kisses.
Oh boy. He has to be in the right
Stingy.
mood, but... And then he initiates it. He'll get a hold of your face.
Where are you going?
Okay.
Hunter. Hunter. Where are you going? Oops.
Hey.
What are you doing? You silly.
Go beat him up.
You're gonna get him, huh?
Go beat him up. Yeah.
You gonna beat me up? Oh yeah?
Yeah, get on him. Beat him up. Jump up and down.
Huh. Huh.
Now what you gonna do? Huh? What you gonna do? You're gonna get his glasses. Get him, Hunter. You like those buttons?
I hear you guys might be getting a new pastor.
Oh yeah?
Oh.
It's me,
You
but
didn't know it.
I don't go there anymore.
Oh. Oh, okay.
I didn't. Is that the latest, Jay?
I never heard anything about that.
Oh, well. I tell you, the rumor mill and
Who have you been talking to?
Sandra?